Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab rangoon. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 6 ounces of imitation crab meat, and 24 wonton wrappers. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onions and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for that extra flavor. We'll also need a bit of oil for frying. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the delicious filling. In a medium bowl, combine your softened cream cheese, the shredded imitation crab meat, and the chopped green onions. Add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a pinch of garlic powder for depth. Mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined and smooth. This creamy mixture is the heart of your crab rangoon, so take your time to ensure it's perfectly blended. Next, we'll fill and fold our rangoon. Lay out a wonton wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the crab mixture in the center. Moisten the edges with a little water. Fold the wrapper into a triangle or a purse shape, pressing firmly to seal the edges completely. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the rangoon in batches for 2 to 3 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade crab rangoon. Serve them immediately while they are still warm and crispy. They pair wonderfully with a side of sweet and sour sauce or a spicy chili dipping sauce. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh green onions. These delightful appetizers are perfect for parties or a special treat at home. Remember to check the description for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.